Hello everyone, my name is Donna Subi and I'm a third-year student here at Tashkent State Dental and Medical Institute. As you can see, I'm now standing at the heart of our campus, which you can see is very beautiful, serene and quiet, with so much greenery around and so much fresh air, and all of this contributes in making our studying much more easier. Now, speaking about our institute, Tashkent State Dental and Medical Institute, has top-of-the-line facilities and so many amazing teachers as well as faculty. Everyone here, from the university officials to our teachers to whoever it might be who's responsible of us, are so dedicated in providing quality education for us and are trying their best to ensure that we become the best possible doctors. Our university has so many departments here within the campus itself, from gynecology department, from cardiology, radiology, etc. And all of our departments have top-of-the-line equipment, from the newest model of MRI machines there in their radiology department, to scanning centers, to the best hospitals provided, because we are affiliated to the government here in Uzbekistan. So this gives us a much higher privilege of learning firsthand of new diseases and interacting much more with patients than other universities. We are so blessed to be here, and I can't wait to take you around the campus and show you and introduce you much more. Thank you.